Welcome to God's Biscuits. Experience a taste of heaven one bite at a time. We stopped random people on the street to try God's Biscuits for the first time. Their responses were priceless.
Yeah, I've had biscuit before. These ones, the taste is good. The people should be testing this one. It's very interesting. I'll go to eat all. I like it.
Okay, it's fluffy, it's soft, it's a good solid biscuit. 10 out of 10, I love it, it's perfect. It's got a nice good crisp on it. 10 out of 10.
I like the moisture in it, the little bit of the buttery taste, and it's like a perfect amount of like dense but light. You know, it's not like too dense. Yeah.
Because God blessed me with a lady here that's made something that tastes like my grandmother's, and my sugar was dropping, and I left everything in the room to eat. So she was here perfect time.
So I could see this being putting sausage on it, a sausage, egg, and cheese. It's thick, you know, it's durable. It's not going to fall apart on you when you take it out the package. Overall, it's really good. It's soft on the inside. It's made really good. The seasonings are on point as well.
Like, makes me want to cry. This smells like home. It makes me want to go home. My mom passed away 14 years ago. I fell into drug addiction, so God is my only way, and this for sure is God's Biscuits. Because God, it makes me want to go home. I miss my mom. Amazing. Perfect. Thank you.
This is honestly the perfect biscuit, just like God. In Tennessee, we want them to be super buttery, and the flavoring is perfect. Like, the seasoning is on point, which is just what we want it to be. We want God to be accurate and well-spoken and well-represented, just like these biscuits are.
Hey, God's Biscuit. Everybody ought to try one. Need a piece of sausage to go with it, though. South Carolina out.
How long y'all been here?
Get you one.
Good! Interesting. Very good, very good.
Well, would you next get it?
Good job.
I want to try one. Yummy.
Yummy?
Hey guys, look, if y'all need to try this biscuit, this is God's Biscuit and it is good. Try this biscuit. Best biscuit ever, and it's great. God's Biscuit.
Are you excited about trying a God's Biscuit? Which review was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. To know when we are coming to your area, go to godsbiscuits.com, subscribe to our email list, and stay informed. We humbly ask that you take a second to like this video and share your thoughts, or simply type the word Amen below. Also, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you never miss our content. Thank you for watching. And remember, God makes the perfect biscuit. It's more than a treat. It's a blessing you can taste.